Google Classroom, how the control features work for students and teachers posting in the stream. So here in my stream, I'm logged in as a teacher. You can see I've posted to the students, have a great long weekend. And if I go into my student account, you can see that it shows up here. However, students, the way the default settings are, they can say anything they want. They can just say, hi, and they can post it. There's no control, there's no filter. So if I go back into my teacher account and I refresh the page, here's mine, and I can see the student posted something as well. Sometimes this can be a great tool. Sometimes students abuse it. So if you need to turn it off, go up to the top to this gear or cog and click on that and we get into the settings. So here's our class details that we set up at the very beginning. The invite codes, we don't need that. We need the one that says stream here. And I'm going to go over to this drop-down menu. So the default, students can post or comment. But I can say students can only comment, because where it is now, they can also post things. Or, this is where I leave it most of the time, is only teachers can post or comment. The students will still be allowed to send private messages back to me on an assignment, but they cannot comment or post anything in the stream. When you have it the way you want it, make sure you click the save up at the top on the right-hand corner. And now, students will not be allowed to post. At least that's how I have mine set up.